Hello students, my name is sehdevsharma. I am from Success Mantra Educare, Jalandhar, Punjab, India. And today we are going to discuss very special topic which is related to your IELTS reading, because most of the students generally they do not have sufficient speed. So we are going to discuss some of the techniques which are very important for your speed read, right? As we all know that total exam is just for 60 minutes and we have three different paragraphs which are covering of diversified topics. You may get the topics from your politics, so you may get topic from IT, crime, right, or environment, or society, or medical, or psychological, right? So this video is going to help you in your time management also, which is one of the biggest issue. Most of the videos they say that within 15 minutes you should complete your first topic, around 20 minutes they complete your second topic, and for your last topic you have to keep your around 25 minutes. So I got an inquiry from my student. My student wants to know that which paragraph to be picked up first. So for speed read, we all come from different backgrounds. Some are commerce students, some are science students, some are art students. So first technique to go for your speed read is first to identify which paragraph is very close to your heart. Which paragraph you are going to understand better. If the person is from the business background, he or she should pick up the topic from the business background. If the person is from science, he or she should pick up the topic which is related to your technology, right? Why? Because there are some technical terms in every paragraph, right? So if we are from the same paragraph, suppose a student is of medical and there is some topic is related to cancer. So they use some specified terminology, right? Like chemotherapy. The person is already knowing what is chemotherapy, so he can easily understand. So your first thing to pick up your speed is to choose the best paragraph which is understandable to you. But my tips goes one step forward. Please pick up the paragraph which has a lot of data about Europe, America, $2,000, $3,000, like that. Economical paras are very easy to understand. Now two paragraphs are extremely difficult. Please do not pick up first. First paragraph is related to your psychology. What is psychology? They talk about training, they talk about attitude, they talk about behavior. These are quite difficult paragraphs to understand because language used is very tough. So psychological paragraph, whether it is in the first position or second or third, please do not pick up it first condition. It will consume you a lot of time. Second paragraph, which I feel it is very difficult, it is related to linguistics. That means related to English, related to French. They talk about poems, they talk about lyrics, they talk about sonnets. It is very difficult. So what are the easy topics to pick up? You can pick up business, you can pick up history, you can pick up environmental issues, because all terms are very familiar to us, right? If the topic is of environment, so there will be global warming or some gases or toxic or something like that data, like WHO or environmental laws or something will be there. Now the main topic comes how to read fast, right? Averagely, your one paragraph consists of around 1000 to 100, around 1100 words, right? Average student, those who are sitting before me right now or in other institutes, they have average speed of reading around 100 plus words, right? So if you really want to clear your IELTS with good bands, your reading speed should be faster than that, right? You need to have at least 200 words per minute. Now issue is this, it is not simply reading. You need active reading. What do you mean by active reading? Means whatever you are reading, it should go into your mind. You should know. Now issue comes here now. How to go for the speed read? So I am going to discuss some of the techniques so that you can easily pick up. First of all, pick up the topic which is of your interest. The second tip was use your pencil. If you are going to read the paragraph, the pencil should touch your paragraph, right? And it keep on going with a very low pace, understandable pace. I cannot go like this. I am not going to find out something. I am going to understand something. Then only this paragraph goes into my mind. Now what I see the students, what they do. They are sometimes sitting like this. Sometimes the paragraph in their hands. No. That will reduce your speed. That will reduce your speed. So what do? Have the paragraph, have the tip of the pencil, and you keep on reading. Right? This is the first technique. Second, please practice to read 2 words at a time. 2 words at a time. There are. So your focus should be immediately there are. So your pencil should go with the stretch. 2-3 words. Even IELTS, best IELTS student, those who get 8 plus 5 or 9 bands, they will read 3 to 4 words at a time. Now what general student say? Well, suppose I am general student, simple student. I started reading the paragraph. He has gone to school. What is smart student? He has gone to school in the morning. He just give the 4 strokes in his mind and he is understanding the whole line. Next, please do not revert back. Do not revert back. What is do not revert back means? This is our general experience. We read the line, then we come back again. Again we read the line, then we come back again. Is it happening or not? It happens. It happens in 2 conditions. First, our level of concentration is bad. Secondly, text is very tough. So we don't understand, we come back to again. So read from full stop to full stop. And try, you should not come back. Once you read something, it is clearly understood. Your speed may be slow, but you understood everything. Yes, there may be some lines which you got revert back. Again, this is another tip, that from full stop to full stop. Please, no stoppage in between. Never come back. This is the speaking tip also. Full stop to full stop, speak accordingly. Similarly with the reading, you need to understand the whole line, right? See, something can be done with scanning, something can be done with the skimming. Now here I am discuss the things which you need for the skimming. Especially in your head match, you are very much stuck. Sentence completion, you are very much stuck, right? You are filling the blanks with options. Filling the blanks with option, you are very much stuck. You need to have deep breath. Now another thing, you need not to read the full sentence. There are many things in sentence which you don't need to read it or understand it. For example, I'll just give one example of one sentence. She has gone to school in the morning. This is the full sentence. She has gone to school in the morning. Your focus should be she, school, morning. That's all. These are the 3 relevant words. That means you can leave your is you can leave your off on something. You can leave the also. Did you understood my example? She has gone to school. So 3 words are important. She, gone, school. That's all. I will go with my father to the market at 7:30. This is your sentence. I will go to market with my father at 7:30. Now I am reading this text. So what are the 3-4 words? I, my father, market, 7:30. So why my mind is reading all? Again, this is another tip. So you have to pick up those right words, right? If you are going to do this, then you are going to have the speed read, right? You need to check your speed. But you need to check, please do one exercise when you have the time. You pick up one text, switch on your mobile phone and start your stopwatch. Keep on reading the words and after 1 minute you stop it. Then you count the words. When you count the words, you will come to know what is your speed. A normal IELTS student should have speed around 200 words per minute because your text is of 100,000 words minimum. That means within 4 minutes you can read the full text. You spend another 4 minutes on the same. That means within 8 minutes you will be in position to read your text 2 times. Is it? Then you still left with 12 minutes to complete your answers. And I am very much sure the person who read the paragraph twice, at least 5 to 6 questions he will immediately do. Suppose he will say that India got independent in 1947. If you have read the paragraph, you will immediately say it is not given because 1947 is nowhere given. This is another technique. So when you will start reading, what is the final tip is this in this session? What is the final tip for this? When the question paper comes before you, first you read the questions, all 13 questions, whatever there. Underline something. What do you have to underline something? Year, name of the person, some data is given, some technical data is given. Then only, right? Then you go for your paragraph. Keep on reading and keep on underlining the important things. Now what those things you need to underline, right? That I'll tell you. You need to underline or have a focus on what is the things. First is any year is given. 1940, 1947, 2000, some centuries, something is there. Secondly, name of the person or city or country. You have to underline it because there will be something in your reading and it will be there in your back mind. Yes, you have read California somewhere. Now California may come in filling the blanks or in head image. But you know there is California written. Please mark that, underline it. And underline is also important thing. Now some of my students, they want to mark it, they keep on moving like this. Why to spend more than 2 to 3 seconds on that once it can be done with a single line? Why students are doing like this? There is no need to struggle here. Just give a one tick and go. Please do not keep on rotating your pencil. It will distract your mind. It will spoil your time. This is another way you can do. And what is the third thing which you need to mark? That is your very, very important. Any data. If I talk about data, data means percentage, $1 million, $1 trillion, something like that. Or your time. So 3 things are very important. First I said year, second is your name of the person, university, Europe or something like that. You can do that. And third is your this. If you are following these steps, your speed read will increase definitely. And now the last phase, again when I got another tip. Suppose this is the paragraph where you want to scan something. You want to scan where is 20th century is written. These are your paragraphs, right? 3, 4, 5 paragraphs are there on your page. You want to find out where is the 20th century because your question is related to 20th century, whether it is yes or no or whatever it is. Please do not read like this. You are searching for the 20th century. No. Why? Because your mind will keep on understanding the things again and again. It will waste your time. Now I need a 20th century. So what I do, I'll pick up my pencil. This is my paragraph A. I want to see whether there is a 20th century is written or not. Right? I'll pick up my pencil. I'll go this, again move this, again this, and again this. No, it is not there. I will pick up immediately second topic. This. Here I find 20th century. I found it. This is a very easy technique. If you cannot go downward, please go pairwise. Even the people, those who have very good reading skills, they go diagonally. They pick up their eyes from here to here and they will say 20th century is not there. Because they are so totally focused. I have already made one video in which you have to go for scanning or skimming. This is I am talking about all the scanning. Immediately you can find out. Immediately. And after this class, we will practice it. That how immediately you can find. Within 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 4 seconds, you will find your line. then you understand the question, then you do it, your speed read will increase. This is how we have to do it. If you are following these techniques, definitely your speed read will be there, your level of concentration will also increase. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so that I serve you the best video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will keep on making good videos for you. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.